Plast India International University is now happening. It will be starting by September 2018. We started this journey long back. Plast India Foundation thought before 10 years that there is going to be a big shortage of technical manpower in the country, and we as an industry must do something. Plast India 7 founder members, they thought it that we must be having our own knowledge center and we should go forward. So in 2008, we applied to the Gujarat government and GIDC after seeing around 47 places, and the Gujarat government was kind enough to give us the land of around 50 acres, and out of which today we have received 37 acres. The land was given by none other than then Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Narendra Modi, and we are highly thankful to him. Then our journey started, and one step by another step we were going forward. Ultimately, the committee thought that we must be having the university status as far as our project is concerned, project of knowledge center is concerned. So, we took some time in developing everything, but in the last year, that is before 1.5 years, again committee thought that we should be going fast on the subject, and it was handed over to us, and we started it. First and foremost, what we did was that we went to Gujarat government, we applied for the status from Knowledge Center to the Plast India International University status, and fortunately we got it passed into the cabinet as well as into the Gujarat Assembly. This in 2008-2009, this land proposal was signed in the Vibrant Gujarat 2009, just for your information. Then last year we got the university status. Then we thought having a good partner with us to give the best to the Indian industry, and so we thought of University of Massachusetts-Global, who are the number one in the country and in the world for the subject. So we went to UMass-Global, we convinced them, and now we are having partnership agreement with the University of Massachusetts-Global for all the three streams, that is plastics engineering, then chemical engineering and mechanical engineering. Each stream will be having courses from the UMass-Global, and we will be going forward. Next thing what we did was that we tried to include all the best of the best technocrats with us, and we requested none other than Dr. R.M. Mashalkar, Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, and we requested him to be our chief mentor, which he graciously accepted, and we are proud of it. Secondly, we requested MP Taparyaji, Supreme Industry CMD, that he should be our chief advisor, and he has also agreed to be the advisor for our council. We requested Kamalbhai Nanavati of Reliance, and who is a master in his subject, to have the resource mobilization on that chairmanship is given to him, and he has very, very willingly accepted, and so we are working very hard on the point. After that point, we appointed the architect, HCP, one of the best in India, who are known for their architectural point, and they are our architect. Then we appointed one of the best contractor also for the construction, that is Desai Construction Private Limited. He is also one of the renowned one, and since April, we have started the construction and it is in full swing. We have divided the whole point in phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. So in the phase 1, around 2 lakh square meters, around 10 buildings will be constructed, and the courses we hope to start by 1st September 2018. So, and it is a landmark even in the in the history of plastic industry of India, and it is an epic one, I would call it. Nobody, and even plastic engineering and like that, only other than US, there is nowhere in the world this plastic engineering is a subject or university is there as far as the plastics is concerned. That is what we feel. So we would like to give best to the industry, Indian industry, to make them the best and to make them the world leader in this subject. So friends, we need your support, and we have the support from the industry, and we envisage full support. Our sponsoring body is Plast India Foundation, who has graciously supported this project till now, and they are going to support us till end. Thank you very much.
Welcome to Chrysolite Media. Sir, the question that arises as you were speaking about Plastic India University, we have seen that this is one kind of a thing that you have come up in India. So what is the number of students in the first phase you are expecting by 2018 to join this Plastic India University?
Yeah, we have three streams. That is, one is plastics engineering, then one is chemical engineering, and third is mechanical engineering. 60 each to start with. That means 180 students first to start with, and it will be undergraduate course. That means we'll be giving ultimately the degree of engineering.
In this university, are you offering diploma courses also, sir?
Not just now, but we are having the project of management courses and all that. There we can, then there we will. And our focus is just now engineering, that is degree course, then postgraduate course, then research. See, in India, I forgot to tell in that one that in India today in plastics for converting industry or like that, the research is very, very low. And this is where Plastic India International University will be offering a lot of research in the plastic products, plastic machinery, plastics, whatever, the best, additives and all that you see.
At present, India in various states, you see, sir, you are aware that various states are planning to ban plastic bags. Sir, can you specifically try to focus something on that? Is that because we are lacking the education of use of plastic? Do you think this use of plastics should be taught in schools also, how the plastic should be used in household?
Yeah, I think in the school it must be taught. That is the first point, that what is the use of plastics and how it serves mankind, rather in the Indian nation. No doubt, nuisance of the plastic bags, wastages and all are there, and that is to be stopped anyhow, whatever, because it is not in the interest of the nation at large. So basically 2 points come up. That is, one is waste management and the other one is littering. India has progressed in last 50 years, 60 years, what industrial progress is there. But we have not progressed on the, what you call, management of the waste and all that, you see, which now Modi government has started recently, that waste management and all that. So in the due course, after 5 years or 2 years, whatever you call it, the things will get streamlined, it looks like.
The Modi government is also announced the skill development program, sir. In plastic also, you see there are not much skilled people in our nation, in our country, we mean to say, especially in the plastic industry. So can you specifically focus something on the skill development for the plastic engineering sector?
Yeah. No, we will definitely go on that line afterwards. But first we would like to have the higher end of the people, the students, because who can be the, what you call, owners, as well as they can serve the best. They can be CEO of the company or they can start their own business. So once that starts, then this will follow. That means skill development, training and everything will follow. But first we are concentrating on the graduation and post-graduation, like that.
Have the industry body also shown an interest in participating in Plastic India University in form of support, monetary support and all?
Yeah. There are many people who are definitely supportive. They just tell us that when you are ready, we are ready. Means our what you call areas may differ on the finance side, but they are willing, 100% willing. I think around 15-20 people have already confirmed that whatever you say or whatever we feel will be supporting financially.
Mr. Arvind Mehta, sir, thank you for your time spending with the Chrysolite Media. Thank you, sir. Best of luck, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Sir, can you please explain what is the development happening phase by phase and some more detail of the location?
Yeah. This is a plan for our university, Plastic India International University. The university is located at Vapi. It is a, what you call, plastic hub, chemical hub of Gujarat or India. It is centrally located as far as our area is concerned, that is plastic industry or chemical industry, mechanical industry. So we have selected this place. It is around 175 kilometers from Mumbai, and it is a hub. Now we have this 37 acre of land here. So we have divided this university into 3 phases. That is phase 1. Phase 1 today construction is on here, and we will be having the what we call all engineering buildings here. One will be plastic engineering, then one is chemical engineering, one is mechanical engineering, this is administration. These are the all laboratories and all that. We are constructing around 22 laboratories for the same, and that will be a faculty what we call residence. Okay. So this is the minimum what we are starting just now, and it is around 2 lakh square feet rather you call it, and around 9 buildings, 10 buildings you can call it, and this one. This is a playground here, and that will be ultimately we would like to make it as a helipad ground also, so that will be in the future that anybody, any VIPs can come in like that, you see. This just now it is 125 crore project, and that we are pushing in a big way, and maybe it will go up also, because what happens now, we would like to have the best of the best facilities, and we are going as per the design of what you call our partner who has told us, and we are going as per their directions, their guidelines rather. This will be the phase 2 expansion of our project, and it will be all what we call this we will be expanding. The chemical engineering will be expanded, plastic engineering will be expanded, everything will be expanded. So this will be the phase 2 here. So this is also a mega project. After this phase is completed, after 2 years we will take up this project of construction and everything. So this is the phase 2.
And what will be the deadline for phase 2?
Phase 2, this is just now 18, so maybe that we will be able to start in 20, around 20, within 2 years.
So
yeah.
2020.
2021. And so this will be all our on that side, and we will be having here this place as a faculty residence also. Okay. That means in a bigger way, this will be on a faculty residence that side, and this will be all our extension of our education activities, you see here on this side. And phase 3, this will be our phase 3. This will be the students' residence. We hope to get the FSI and everything. So multi-story building. So we can use more space and everything. So this will be students' residence here in the higher side building. That will be phase 3.
So there will be also foreign students coming here and studying?
Yeah, definitely. We are targeting all the foreign students as well as the what we call neighboring countries, rather Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, then Nepal, Burma, and like that. You see that those students can come here. Africa, they can come here. So that will be there. They will be there.
And also you will allow Indian students to go to your partner university and study.
Yeah, that is a very important point. What I just missed that point. Here we have tied up this with the University of Massachusetts. We are sending 6 faculties from here to USA for study and training. So they will be imparting us the training for the 6 faculties, and they will be teaching here. And we will be having the faculties, American faculties teaching here also. So there will be continuous exchange of the faculties for teaching of the students. And we will be having one of the best what we call curriculum and everything. So we will be on that line and aligned with the American what you call certification and all that. Ultimately, our aim is that PIU and it will be UMass together, the certification.
And what about the placement in future?
Placement, we feel, and that is under discussion, it will be done. That means PIF will ensure that they get the placement. Means there is a demand and everything, and we are trying that once they pass, they can be employed. This is our target. Now it has to be discussed in the committee, and we'll go forward on this subject.
Thank you so much for being with Modern Plastics and Crystalite Media. Have a nice time. We hope this will bring more good engineers, good mechanical fitters. All the technology will be imparted from US to India, and let our engineers or our students go globally. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. I missed one point, that we are having management course also 2 years management course also. So technical plus management. So they will be the masters in their subject and they can serve better industry. That is also our point. And this is one of its kind in the world, I would call it. At least I know it is one of the only institute in Asia that it is tree and it is for plastics. Primarily for plastics, then mechanical, then chemical. And our all effort, 3 streams, should combine with, it should merge, not merge also, it should be towards plastics. That means suppose if it is chemical, we have to teach that chemistry is okay, but polymers and something maybe on that line. Mechanical engineering, yes, but machinery people, they can benefit design wise this and everything. Our plastic machinery people, mold and all that. So our focus will be that it can be aligned with the industry.
Will the laboratory can be used by the industry for testing?
Yes, definitely. It will be used, this 22, and we are having a plan of 44 laboratory total. And basically, our this idea is that graduation, post-graduation and research. We don't have research as far as the plastic converting industry or any industry is concerned. We are just having the imports or technical collaboration. Here, the people will be able to take the research in their side, they can pay for it and they can research and to their satisfaction and do it. You see, this is our aim. So it will be fundamentally in after 5-10 years, it will be research focus will be the point.